to give you a little demo of the switch statement, which is another conditional statement on top of the other three we've already looked. We have looked at the if else, if else. So the fourth variation of that is called as a switch statement. Let me show you the structure of a switch statement. Switch expression, and then you have the block, then you say case value 1, case value 2, default. So this is the general structure of a switch statement. So the idea is that you evaluate an expression. Depending on the value of that expression, you would like perform one or two of the scenarios here. So let's look at a simple example. So I'm just like giving you a format here. So what happens is, when this expression is evaluated, depending upon the value, you will go through either this statement or this statement. If none of them match, the default statement will be executed. Okay, so this is where we have code. This is where we write code for that particular condition. Okay, so let us look at a simple example. Let us say that the user is going to give a fruit and we are going to decide if it's a tropical fruit or not. I'm just like making it up. Okay, so let us say pineapple, banana, what other things are tropical fruits? Avocado. Let's say these are tropical. Others are all non-tropical according to us. So if that is the condition that we have, well, we have some kiwis. Let's put kiwi. I'm sorry, I'm Googling what tropical fruits are. Papaya. Okay, let's say these are tropical fruits, the other ones are not tropical fruits. So first you have to have an input, right? So when the input is going to be old fruit name, so it is a string. There is no need to convert. No need to convert the input here. So what we are going to do is, we are going to evaluate the input. Input is the fruit name. If the fruit is berry, then we say not tropical. If the fruit is avocado, we say it is tropical. Okay, so if none of the other things work, the default will have to be something. I am not sure. It'll say, I don't know what kind of fruit this is. If you have a berry, if you have an avocado. So see, even though I know like all these fruits are there, my condition, I'm not like giving any of them. Let us just observe what happens. If I enter berries or avocado, I would have a condition. Otherwise, let's see what happens. So one more fruit maybe. Case papaya. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm giving one input. Let's say, let's give a prompt. Let's run this program, see how it goes. Okay, let us say I say berries. It says not tropical, all done. Correct, right? It went through this code. It said not tropical, all done. Perfect. Let's run it again. This time I want to do papaya. It says I'm tropical fruit, done. Correct. Meets our criteria. Let's give a fruit that is neither papaya or berries or avocado. Let us give the fruit name as cherries. It says I'm not sure. Okay. So if you don't have a specific criteria for that particular case, you're going to default to this particular guy. So for example, my banana is getting a not sure. So make sure that you add your statements. So when the break statement is absolutely essential. So if you want to if you don't use the break statement, let's see what happens to papaya. Without the break statement, let's see what happens to papaya. There is a build error. So make sure that you include your papaya. So let us say I don't want to keep writing tropical, not tropical. Can I combine them? Let's check. Let's take avocado and papaya and give them one message. So I can put all the tropical fruits together like this and make them use the same situation. Banana. So all these three will get tropical. What else do we have? Case, pear. So these are going to be non-tropical. These are going to be tropical. So we could do like that. You can't not have a break. So that's a positive. So let's see now. Let's try banana, see what happens. Banana is tropical. Let's try pear. Not tropical. Let me give kiwi, which is not even in the list. That means I should get, I'm not sure. Okay, so a switch statement is a good tool to have in your pocket in situations like this where you have so many conditions that you want to evaluate. So you just want to be sure. So the one thing I want to say is in this situation we directly used input here. If you want to if this is a number, you could do if it's a number, you could do like this. You could do x mod 2, whatever it is that you have to do, the expression goes here. So I hope this gives you some insight into how a switch statement can be used. The demo code will be in the GitHub. Thank you.